You know, across Indiana, there are more than 65,000 teachers. Only one teacher is named Teacher of the Year for the entire state of Indiana, and that teacher is a Pike teacher. On behalf of the Indiana Department of Education and the Indiana Teacher of the Year Selection Committee, I am honored to name Mrs. Graciela Miranda as our 2025 Indiana Teacher of the Year.
Well, first of all, I want to say thank you because of my faith. I know that I don't do it alone. My God, my Savior, is with me each and every day. The second group of people that I'd like to thank are those people over there, my family, my daughters, and my husband. They encourage me and help me be the best teacher that I can by picking up all kinds of things I need to do at home. They're flexible, they're loving, and I know you guys don't know this, but they love you guys so much, and they hear about how awesome and amazing you guys are every single day. So thank you so much. But that's not the only family I have. I have another family that beats the same as my heartbeat, and that's you guys. Yeah. You see, for me, this is not just a job. This is my home. This is my family. Many of you guys, we've cried together. We've laughed together. We've shared successes. We've opened up those emails for college entrances. We've applied. You guys are my family. And without you guys, I can't be who I am. You make me a better teacher every single day. A lot of people don't like coming to work. I love my job. I love my classroom. I love all the visits. I especially love it when you guys bring me cherry Coke. But I want you guys to know one thing. Back when I was little, my parents gave me the best they had. It wasn't much, but it was the best that they could give me. They gave me love, and they gave me a work ethic skills. They told me to believe and to achieve. See, I failed 4th grade. I got straight Fs. I was learning English. School was hard. But it took one decision on my part to say I can do it. And I took it upon myself, and I said, you know what? Something's got to change. That one decision, that one day to read a book. I hadn't read a whole book until that time. And I started reading and reading and reading, and I noticed one thing, that it wasn't that it was hard. I was stronger than that. I was stronger than hard. And I want to encourage you, if there's something that you're struggling with, if there's something that's hard, you guys are amazing, you guys are smart, we see the potential in you, and we want you to get to your dream and beyond. So I thank you so much for all the applause, but again, I can't do this without another family that I have to talk about, and that's my school work family, which are the teachers that make this place amazing, and my team, who is just phenomenal. We have such a high standard of wanting to do so much for you guys. I love them. And also our administrators. And you guys know who you are. You have our backs. You let us dream. You let us bloom. You care for us in a way that I've never seen any other school district do. And so for all the other teachers that are here in this room or are not, we also have the same heartbeat. We care about our students so deeply that we come and we give it our all. And some days are tiring, just like you guys students. Some days are tiring, but we give it our all every single day. So I thank you for allowing me to serve you. You guys are the best, and I love this place. Thank you.